So Rick, what'd you see this morning?
So we arrived at the Bissell Bridge boat ramp. About 10, 12 police cars and police vehicles and backhoe. Somebody had drove a car into the river and abandoned it last night. Got here and so we've been watching them this morning.
So we put the drone up and over the top of the car, and it's a white vehicle. It's down about maybe 250 yards downstream on the right-hand side on the bank. We're actually going north, Rick. We're gonna actually look for Arthur Matthews this morning, who went missing in the 80s. He was actually the stepfather, or he was the stepfather of Arthur Matthews, who is in jail for murder and multiple murders, and so they actually consider him a serial killer, and they believe that he also killed his stepfather back at the time. So we're looking for a 1976 Pontiac Astur, white in color. Interesting though that you know, the day we come here, that this is all occurring. The new boat setup, we have the down live inside on the battery pack with the Humminbird Solex 12, and we have down live inside on this side, so both operator and the co-pilot can actually see the screen and watch and see what type of objects show up on the screen, so you can actually learn about, you know, sonar and see what a car looks like when we find one on underwater. And we'll go right by the car, just to show what it looks like on sonar. So car went in right here. Car. So right now we're at 100 feet, so we should be picking it up. Car right there in the water. Didn't pick it up, so it's shiny. So it kind of tells you.
Oh, new cars are shiny?
Yeah, they show up shiny. No one in this thing?
Car?
Yeah. There you go, normal mode. Okay, so now we can put that side in. Got a ticket for no registration on the boat this morning in the Connecticut River. Was coming here around that island because I believe that there's a car right. This car went in the dark, you know, with the lights on, and was seen actually because the lights stayed on as it floated for a while, and someone saw it from the bridge. And so the next morning the police were there to extract the vehicle from the river where it does not belong. It's amazing though how many cars go in the rivers all around the country and all around the world that are never seen. And Arthur Matthews is one of those individuals that we believe is in this river somewhere. I just need to find him. So I believe there's a car right out there. I have one on Google Earth. This is the boat ramp on Vibert Road. You get a car in and it goes out there. Again, it's an older car, but it is a white car on Google Earth. And so that's the car I'm interested in. That's right there. So it's right, let me see if I can show you, right about right there in the water, past the low water mark where that dark shadow is. I'm told that there are 7 or 8 cars in here that they can access right from here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to, you know, we were trying to find Arthur this morning, but we got jammed up by the DEM officer.